Have you ever wondered why some seem to have a magnet for money while others barely make it through the month? Today, we're going to unravel this mystery. It's not about magic, nor having a stroke of luck in the lottery. It's about proven strategies and, above all, mindset. Forget everything you thought you knew about growing your capital, because the rules of the game have changed. Are you ready to discover how you can make your money work for you, not the other way around? Grab a paper and pencil, because the revelations to come could be the turning point in your financial life. Get ready to change the way you think, invest, and maximize your gains. This isn't just about money, it's about your future. In the world of finance, myths circulate that, like urban legends, are more fiction than reality. Is investing only for the wealthy? Do you need to be a math genius to see your money grow? False. The truth is the market doesn't distinguish between famous last names or university degrees. It follows rules and patterns that anyone can learn and apply. Investing is democratic. With the right guidance, everyone has the opportunity to participate. And no, you don't have to wait for a fortune to fall from the sky to get started. We're going to reveal how with little you can do a lot, and how, with the right strategies, the path to financial freedom is within your reach. Forget the idea that you need large sums to start. It's time to dust off the myths and rewrite the rules with knowledge and financial cunning. Now, let's talk about the fundamental piece in the financial chess game, the investor's mindset. It's not just about numbers and charts. It's about how you think and react to abundance and adversity. The first step to successful investing isn't in your wallet. It's in your head. Did you know that the most successful investors spend as much time building their mental strength as they do analyzing the market? Here's the secret. Patience is more valuable than gold, and consistency weighs more than diamonds. While some look for shortcuts, the wise build the path. Adopting an investor mindset means continuously educating yourself, learning from mistakes, and looking beyond the emotions of the moment. So, how is this investor mindset forged? It starts with discipline, the same that drives you to get up every morning and face the day. Discipline will guide you to maintain your investments and not give in at the first sign of market volatility. We're talking about a bomb-proof mindset, focused on long-term goals, where the focus isn't on how much you can earn today, but on how much your investment will be growing in the coming years. Think of the investor mindset as a muscle that strengthens with exercise and constant practice. It's about resisting the temptation to follow the crowd with every new investment fad that appears and instead, making choices based on a solid and personalized strategy. Is it exciting? Perhaps not as much as betting everything on one card, but it's precisely that excitement that often leads to failure. Furthermore, the investor's mindset includes an insatiable curiosity to learn. Not a single successful investor has stopped educating themselves. Continuous learning about economic trends, market movements, and new investment instruments is what allows you to identify opportunities that others might overlook. And here comes the crucial part: resilience. The path to wealth is not a straight line. It's full of bumps and curves. There will be times when your investments do not turn out as you expected. It's in these moments when the investor's mindset is tested. It's the ability to stay calm and remain firm in your strategy that sets you apart from those who gamble with their finances. Finally, there's self-control. In a world where the next big thing always seems to be within reach, the smart investor knows that the real opportunity lies in careful selection and long-term commitment. It takes self-control not to deviate from the plan every time a new trend arises. It's this self-control that defines your investment trajectory and ultimately, your results. With these qualities in mind, we're ready to delve into the investment strategies that can transform your finances, but always remembering that tactics without the right mindset are like a ship without a rudder at sea. We're talking about methods that are as accessible to the novice as they are potentially lucrative for the savviest of investors. First, let's talk about diversification. It's the basic principle of not putting all your eggs in one basket. But diversifying doesn't simply mean buying a bunch of different assets and hoping for the best. It's about understanding how different investments interact with each other, how they complement each other, and how they balance out. Smart diversification reduces your risk and puts you in a position of strength to capitalize on multiple fronts. Then, we explore the importance of research. Investing based on rumors or friends' tips is like navigating without a map. Research gives you that map. It's about analyzing market trends, understanding a company's fundamentals, and evaluating its long-term growth potential. Even with something as trendy as cryptocurrencies, research is key. What drives them? What utility do they offer? How do they fit into the global financial ecosystem? Now, strategy wouldn't be complete without talking about automation. We live in the digital age, and not leveraging technological tools to manage our investments would be a waste. We're talking about setting up automatic contributions to your investment funds, using alerts to buy or sell at your preferred parameters, and employing robo-advisors to optimize your portfolio. Automation makes staying disciplined easy and efficient. Moreover, we can't forget regular portfolio rebalancing. The market changes, and so should your portfolio. Rebalancing helps you maintain your desired level of risk and systematically capitalize on buying low and selling high. It's like performing regular maintenance on your vehicle to ensure it's always in the best possible condition. And for those looking to be more active in their investments, investment strategy isn't just about buying and holding. It can also include more advanced methods like options trading, investing in Forex, or even participating in initial public offerings. But this is where the investor's mindset really shines. These are deep waters and require a much higher level of knowledge and risk control.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
With these strategies in hand, you have the power not only to participate in the market, but to do so on a solid foundation and with a clear understanding of how to advance toward your financial goals. But strategy is only part of success. Now, let's discover how to take your investments to the next level, maximizing gains. This is where we separate those who dream of wealth from those who actually build it. Here's where your strategy and mindset come together to create tangible results. We start with the famous formula of compound interest, the eighth wonder of the world according to Einstein, and rightfully so. It's simple. Reinvest your gains, and they in turn will generate more gains. Over time, this financial snowball grows exponentially, transforming small sums into mountains of wealth. But compound interest needs time to work its magic, so patience is not just a virtue, it's a strategy. Next on our list is leveraging market cycles. Markets move in cycles, and understanding these patterns can be extremely lucrative. It's about identifying when markets are overvalued to take profits and when they are undervalued to buy. This tactic, however, requires a deep understanding of the market and a fireproof mindset, as going against the current can be intimidating. Let's not forget the importance of minimizing costs. Commissions, management fees, and other costs can eat away at your gains without you even realizing it. Maximizing gains isn't just about how much money you make, but how much you can keep. Invest in platforms and funds that keep your fees low, and always read the fine print. And here comes the golden advice: constant adaptation and education. The financial world evolves rapidly, and what worked yesterday may not be the best approach today. Stay educated on new financial tools and emerging technologies. Use financial simulations, online courses, and keep an open mind to new investment strategies. There isn't just one path to the peak of financial success. There are many, and some are yet to be discovered. Lastly, but definitely not least importantly, is setting clear and realistic goals. Goals give you direction and a destination. Without them, it's easy to get lost in the excitement of the market. Define what gain means to you. Is it a specific figure? A steady stream of passive income? Whatever it is, your goal should be clear, and every move you make should bring you closer to it. With these principles of maximizing gains firmly grounded in your investment arsenal, you're not only prepared to grow your wealth, but to secure a financial future that many can only imagine. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. And you're on this journey not just to win, but to win big. We've come a long way today, unraveling the secrets behind a successful investor's mindset, effective investment strategies, and how to maximize your gains. Remember, financial success is not the result of chance. It's the outcome of informed decisions, discipline, and the right mindset. Knowledge is power, especially in the world of investments. So take what you've learned today and use it as your compass on the journey to financial freedom. The future is bright for those who dare to take the reins of their financial destiny. And now, I invite you to join our community of smart investors. If you like this video, share it with someone who could benefit from it. Your comments are the fuel that motivates us to keep creating content that matters. So let us know what you think below in the comments. Do you have questions? Or is there a topic you'd like us to explore more deeply? Don't hesitate to say so. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe and turn on notifications to not miss a single tip that could change the course of your finances. Remember, investing in yourself is the best investment you will ever make. Until next time, keep investing, keep learning, and above all, keep growing.